In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I will demonstrate how to update the profile picture in e-learning. So as you may have noticed, the courses now include the profile picture below the course name. And if you want to update your picture for the profile in e-learning, you click on the top right. Typically there will be a blank spot for your picture, and then click on Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, click on Edit Profile, and then scroll down under the section for Picture. If you currently have one picture in there, so you select Delete first and then press Update Profile. Now to upload a new profile picture, you can click here to either drag and drop your file in here, or click on this spot and then click on Choose File, and then locate your JPEG file that you want to upload, press Open, and then press Upload, and then press Update Profile.